again. So today we're going to be making gin and tonic drizzle cake. I thought maybe of all weeks this would be a nice time for a gin and tonic cake that you can make tomorrow. So very easy. To start off with, you need 250 grams of self-raising flour, 250 grams of stock margarine or supermarket own label margarine, the soft one, 250 grams of caster sugar and 5 eggs. These are from Rockmel Farm, free range organic eggs, and the juice of 1 lime. Just put all that in together and using a hand blender, just put it right in and away you go. Stop and just take your spatula around the bowl to make sure it's all in from the sides, and give it another quick beat. So easy as that. You then put it into a 2-pound loaf tin, and you just place these paper sheets inside it. Scrape it all out of the bowl. And smooth it over the top. Now that's all we do with it at the moment. We put it into the oven for approximately 40 to 45 minutes at 160 degrees fan oven. So I'll see you a bit later when we take it. Okay, so that's the loaf out of the oven. You just use a probe to check that it's dry when it comes out. There's no moisture in it. And in the bowl I have 90 grams of caster sugar, and in here I have 2 tablespoonfuls of gin and 1 tablespoonful of tonic. Put that in along with the juice of half a lime. You can use lemon if you like, but I prefer lime with my gin. You mix that together. You can see it's very liquidy. And you probe with your, this is a temperature probe I use, but you can use anything, a cake tester or a knitting needle my mother always used. So, and you just put little prod all over the top of the loaf. This allows the gin and tonic drizzle to get into the cake. So, and then you just give this a stir up. It doesn't dissolve, it just stays just this liquid, and you pour it evenly over the top of the cake, taking your time to let it pour through those little holes. Now, this now just has to be left till it's cold, possibly overnight, but certainly a good 2 or 3 hours. So we'll come back to this later again. That's this part of it finished. Okay now, so your cake's cooled, and remove the paper and put it on your serving tray. Now the next thing is the gin icing for the top. So I've got 200 grams of icing sugar, and what I've done is I've taken out 2 tablespoonfuls of it and put it in another bowl, and the icing sugar here, and I've got 4 tablespoonfuls of gin in a little dish. So we just add the gin to the icing sugar, not quite at all, keep some back, and stir. Of course, the icing sugar's sieved to make sure there's no lumps in it. And we just stir this to incorporate the icing sugar. And this is why I leave the sugar, some sugar in the other bowl and some gin, is you just want to get it to the right consistency. So this, I'm just stirring it in with a table knife. Now this is just a little bit too thin, so add more icing sugar. Still a little bit, no, there it is, it's just perfect. You see how it just changed it, like a drop in consistency. Okay, so we just put this on top of the loaf. You see how so we just gently push this into position. Now from the top of it I have, from the first lime that we squeezed to put into the cake mixture, you would do this just to take off the very zest of it. Just once down and round, and you get the very zest of it. You do that before you squeeze it for the cake. And some of this is the lime zest sprinkled on top. And then some lime slices. Now if you just do this and leave it sitting for or put it into the fridge or leave it sitting for 5 or 10 minutes, the icing will firm up. And that's our gin and tonic drizzle cake. I'll put a picture of the ingredients at the bottom for you so you can all make it, and please send me pictures and like and share. Thank you very much. Bye.